How to unbox GELNK B31 DTF Printer for beginners. Let's start with the specs. Model 8DTFDY JB31L1800TH000OV1, shortened to B31. Resolution 1440x 1440 dpi for razor-sharp details. Perfect for intricate designs like photorealistic portraits. Speed 15 sheets per minute in full color, enough to print 200 hoodies in 3 hours. Ink system 6 cartridge setup with white ink recirculation to prevent clogs. Material compatibility cotton, polyester, leather, and even mouse pads. Locate power port. Find the power port labeled 220 volts on the lower right rear of the printer. Connect power cable. Insert one end into the printer and plug the other into a stable power outlet, ensuring full contact. Power on and self-test. Press the power button front, right, and wait for the self-test until the indicator light turns solid. Press and hold the cleaning button, marked with a droplet icon, for 3 seconds to activate the self-cleaning cycle. The printer will prime the nozzles with fresh ink to dissolve dried residues. Flush clogged channels using built-in pressure pumps. Insert PET film. Slide the PET film along the printer's guide rails, ensuring the textured side faces up printing surface and the smooth side faces down. Engage feed gears. Push the film until it clicks into the feed gears. Position adjustment. Use the keys to fine-tune the film's position. The ideal final placement is 1 to 2 millimeters above the exhaust vents, in the print zone, visible through the transparent guard. Verification. Check alignment via the LCD preview grid. Green indicators confirm installation calibration complete.